Good morning, the fans of AQTV, whenever you are. This is the show which will bring up a new farming activity in our farm. Today, we shall say different birds in our farm, and I will show you how to keep chicken of different ages in one brooder. This is my brooder. You can see this is the smallest brooder in art, but you can learn something from here. The birds are friendly. No fighting against each other. See now, like this. I like this one. Yeah, this is a cock, a white cock, as you see, of 2 months. 2 months. It is in one brooder, my fans. This is one birds of one brooder. As you see, this is a pigeon. A pigeon in one brooder. Let me, mommy, come down, come down. This is a pigeon in our brooder of AQ, so poultry farming activity. And then you see this one. This is a 1 week jig. They are in one brooder. They are friendly with each other. Many farmers do ask themselves, how can I keep different ages of jigs in one brooder? My friend, you can keep it by showing some love to them. You put them slowly. You treat them slowly. If you feed them well, they cannot fight each other, my friend. That's why Q and A, they keep AQ poultry farming, they keep chicks of different ages in one brooder without fighting each other. They are friendly. They give, like the 2 months, 2 months a jig. They give the small one warm at night because they put them together. And let me show you. Oh, yes. This is 2 weeks chick, 2 weeks chick, and that is all I can show you today. And you see, they are men, so you cannot keep them. So that's why I want to tell you, go to our channel AQTV, subscribe, watch, and share, so that we can, when we upload the new video, you can see how we continue farming. May God bless you. Tomorrow I will show you how you control eggs, because here I am near to incubator in the site. As you see, this is our new incubator in AQ poultry farming. Yeah, you see there are much number of eggs. Yeah, may God bless you. We shall see tomorrow how to control eggs. How to control eggs, so that you can know how much chicks you have after 21 days, how much eggs have already sprung. So may God bless you. Have a beautiful day. It is 12th of the month of September 2021. AQ TV, our knowledge is your success.